Here we can see a resistor that cannot be soldered onto the board. No matter how much we try with the soldering iron, this resistor will not adhere. In these machines, such resistors can easily be damaged by condensation or moisture. Such a resistor lacks the properties it should have, and the machine cannot function as it should. Pay attention to your soldering. The resistor is 33 ohms and will be replaced with another resistor of the same value. This is a critical component on this board, and the board cannot function properly if this resistor is damaged. We need to check all the traces, especially on the input side of the board, to ensure conductivity. This is a common issue with these boards. After cleaning the area with alcohol, we can measure its resistance. We can see that it is 33 ohms and that there is continuity between one chip and another before this resistor. Additionally, we will check the other traces and their connection to the resistor and chip. Usually, the issue is within the first two domains. As we can see here, the connection has broken underneath the protective mask, so we need to repair and protect it. Protection can be done using UV mask solder or protective PCB lacquer. I personally prefer to use UV mask solder, matching the color. Before that, we need to solder a piece of wire between the good connection on the chip and the resistor, which is again 33 ohms and must be connected to the next chip. The wire I'm using is 0.1 millimeters, which is sufficient for this type of repair. Alternatively, we could remove the entire trace and place the wire underneath, but I think that's too much work for something that isn't visible, especially considering the board will be inside a casing. If you're digging into the board, be careful of the traces that pass underneath. The board consists of multiple layers. When mounting the wire, we make sure that the RST pad is left free so that the next technician can analyze the fault, as professionalism and quality components are essential in this line of work. Sometimes, all that's needed is to resolder resistors to ensure a good connection. This issue typically arises when the machine is hot or cold, resulting in a varying number of chips being detected. It's just one of the problems, but not the main one. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something.